actually, Ice and I are gonna show you how to
Put away the glue.
so you don't get gloosicles like this one. If I pick you to clean up the glues, bring them back to the red tray.
Never, ever stack them.
That's right. Never stack anything that's wet or you'll get the bottoms messy. No stacking the glue cups. And put them on the red tray in a nice row. Who knows if I'll be using caps or these little containers. Once you get them all on the red tray, you gotta take the sticks out. And then we need to line them out. Go ahead, Ice, you can do it. Without touching. You see that? That's a problem because they're gonna stick together. So we wanna lay them out like that so that they don't touch the glue, because if we leave them in overnight, they will totally be stuck, just like this guy. Blah. If you do the glues, you can wash your hands after you've done your job. You might also want to wipe it a little bit, and we want to make sure we've gotten all the sticks out. See, these two are touching. We don't want those to touch. And we got one more. Separate them. That's it. We did it. Yay!
Hello, my talented artists.
Thank you, Ice. You did a great job.